Going to introduce the structural development of Malaysian financial accounting institutions based on the Financial Reporting Act 1997. The Malaysian Accounting Standards Board is established under the Financial Reporting Act 1997 as an independent authority to develop and issue accounting and financial reporting standards in Malaysia. The MASB, together with the Financial Reporting Foundation, make up the new framework for financial reporting in Malaysia. This new framework comprises an independent standard-setting structure with representation from all relevant parties in the standard-setting process, including preparers, users, regulators, and the accountants profession from all relevant parties The following points are the roles played by the financial reporting framework. Firstly is providing information to the management of an organization. Secondly is help to assist the board in order to develop IFRS standards based on the consistent concepts, resulting in financial information that is useful to investors, leaders, and other creditors. The thirdly is providing information to the statutory auditors, which is termed facilities audits.
For Company Act 1965. This is the first law describing information that must be provided by the company before the Company Act 2016 comes into force. This is the principal legislation governing the formation and operation of companies in Malaysia. It repealed earlier ordinances and provides common rules on accounting and requirements for true and fair view reporting. Act is seen as an absolute disclosure requirement in the absence of an accepted accounting framework. 9 schedules ask companies to disclose profit and loss accounts and statements of financial position or balance sheets. Under Section 167, every company must keep proper accounting and other records to sufficiently explain the transactions and financial position of the company and to enable true and fair profit and loss accounts and balance sheets and related documents to be prepared from time to time. Under Section 174, powers and duties of auditors as to reports on accounts. For AGM annual meeting, first, not lesser than 18 months after the date of incorporation, directors are responsible to present at each AGM an audited profit and loss account, balance sheets, and directors' report under Section 169, Subsection 1. For subsequent AGM, it must be held once in every calendar year and at intervals of not more than 15 months from the last AGM.
Okay, next, I will continue with the MASB. The Malaysian Accounting Standard Board, MASB, is established under the Financial Reporting Act 1997 to develop and promote high-quality accounting and reporting standards that are consistent with international best practices for the benefits of users, preparers, auditors, and the public. Okay, for the issue for the MASB is accounting challenges in turbulent times. There will be a full-day conference organized by the Malaysian Accounting Standards Board and supported by the Securities Commission Malaysia on 29 April 2009. This conference provides a good opportunity for delegates to hear directly from representatives from International Accounting Standard Board on issue and development of accounting standards and its challenges in the current economic environment. Delegates will also have the opportunity to hear views on financial reporting for Islamic-based transactions and how fair is fair value in 2 separate panel discussions. In addition, there will be a panel discussion and Q&A session to bring up issues on convergence with international financial reporting standards by 2012.
Bank Negara Malaysia. Bank Negara Malaysia, the Central Bank of Malaysia, is a statutory body which started operations on 26 January 1959. Bank Negara Malaysia is governed by the Central Bank of Malaysia Act 2009. The role of Bank Negara Malaysia is to promote monetary and financial stability. This is aimed at providing a conducive environment for the sustainable growth of the Malaysian economy. The issue is managing imbalance and rising indebtedness under a low interest rate environment. Very low interest rates have now prevailed for a number of years and appear to the likely to continue for the foreseeable future. Monetary policy in an era of high financial market volatility. The high volatility in global financial markets have become a regular feature confronting policymakers since the start of the financial crisis in 2008.
Okay, next for the Securities Commission. The Securities Commission Malaysia was established on 1 March 1993 under the Securities Commission Act 1993. Securities Commission are a self-funded statutory body entrusted with the responsibility to regulate and develop the Malaysian capital market. Okay, for the issue of the Securities Commission, on 2 December 2011, Asia Pacific regulators met in Kuala Lumpur and discussed the impact of current international developments in the financial sector on the Asia Pacific, including the effect of the Eurozone crisis on regional markets. Regulators were aligned to the need to continue to focus on the potential contagion effects and risks that this development have for the region. Participants also discussed the challenge involved in cross-border enforcement, including the implication of technology-based trading. These issues were central to discussion at the International Organization of Securities Commission, Asia Pacific Regional Committee meeting, and a dialogue with industry players on 1 and 2 December 2011, respectively, hosted by the Securities Commission Malaysia.
Bursa Malaysia. Based in Kuala Lumpur, Bursa Malaysia is the country's stock exchange and operates as a platform which offers a range of exchange-related products and services for companies, groups, and government to sell securities to the public. The range of products offered by Bursa Malaysia include bonds, derivatives, equities, trading, settle, clearing, and depository service. It also offers Sharia-compliant securities which are in accordance with the Sharia investment guideline. Issue: attracting more Malaysian retail investors to share investment in the stock market, improving financial literacy among Malaysian retail investors, assist Malaysian retail investors to overcome herd behavior when investing in the stock market.